Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see differences between list and set. So I have listed out here four differences. So one by one we will see all these differences practically. So first difference is lists are ordered collection and sets are unordered collection. So first we will see what is meant by ordered collections. So the collections in which insertion order of data items is preserved and using indexes you can access data elements. So such collections are called ordered collections. So sets are unordered collections and lists are ordered collections. Means in sets, insertion order of data items is not preserved and using indexes you can't access its data elements. So now first we will see for list. So L1 one list I am taking here 1 2 3 4. So these are the list element and I will print this list on the console. So this is 1 2 3 4. Now using index I can access its element. So for example I want to access 4, so its index is 3. So now here in list I can do because lists are ordered collection and using index I can access its element. So now the same thing we will try with set. So I will take here s1 is equal to 1 set. I am taking 1 2 3 4. So this is my set and I will print this set on the console. Now this is our set. Now I will try to access its third element using index. What happens we will check. So now here it is giving error set object is not subscriptable. Why we are getting this error? Because sets are unordered collection and here using indexes you can't access its elements. So this is the first difference we are done. So next difference is lists are, so this is the same point but there is one minute difference that we will see. So list and sets both are mutable. So mutable means changeable, means dynamically you can add and remove values from these collections. So sets and list both are mutable. But there is one difference. So sets are mutable but the elements themselves must be immutable. Means in set only immutable data elements are allowed. Those are numbers, string, tuples. So mutable data elements like list or sets not allowed. So this is not case with list. In list any type of data elements are allowed. So I will take here L2 1 2 3 4. So this is my list and if I add here append 90, so this I can do. So L2 I will print on the console. Now this is our list. So dynamically we can add and remove element from this list. Now same point we will try with set. So S2 I am taking S2 is equal to 1 set. I have taken 1 2 3 4. So these are the set elements. And if I do S2 dot add 18 and if I print this S2 on the console, if I run this, now I got here 1 2 3 4 and 18. So means dynamically you can add remove elements from this list and sets both, right? Because both are mutable, means changeable. But there is difference. In sets only immutable elements allowed, but in list it is not like that. For example, a mutable element, for example I am taking here L3 is equal to one list I am taking 1 2 and here mutable data collection I am taking. For example I have taken here one set 1 2 3, right? And if I print this list on the console, now I got this list. So in list mutable data elements are allowed but in sets these are not allowed. For example I have taken here S3 one set and in this set I have this 1 2 and here if I take 1 2 3 4 one list I have taken, right? So lists are mutable, so we will check is it allowed or not in sets. So here we got unhashable type list, right? So means here why we got this error, because in sets mutable data elements are not allowed. So if I have taken here any string, so for example if I have taken Pune here and if I run this, now it is allowed because strings are immutable. So this is the one difference in mutability. Next point is list allow duplicate elements, sets doesn't allow duplicate elements. So sets allow only unique elements, okay, and list you allow duplicate elements. So for example if I have taken here L5, one list I am taking, and here I am taking 1 2 3 4 and 4, so I have duplicated here element 4, and if I print this on the console, so now I got this 1 2 3 4 4, right? The same thing we will try with set S5 is equal to 1, set I am taking 1 2 3 4 4, and I will print this S5 on the console. So now I got here 1 2 3 4, right? Why I didn't get this 4? Because sets doesn't allow duplicate element. So if you have duplicate elements in set, it removes repetition and it takes only one element, right? So sets are in sets duplicates are not allowed. So last difference is syntax. Lists are defined using square brackets or list constructor, and sets are defined using curly braces or set constructor. So we will see this practically. So remember that here when you are defining sets you need curly brackets, but when you are using empty curly brackets it is not set, it is a dictionary. So we will see that practically. First we will see list. So for example here I am taking one list L6. So here I have taken here, this is the empty list I am taking. So whenever you are defining list you have to use square brackets. For example I am taking here elements 11 22 33, right? And we will check its data type, print type L6, and we will print this L6 on the console. So if I run this, I got this class list and this is our list. So this is the list data type, and using list function also you can create list. So for example I will create a new cell, and if I am creating a L7 using list, otherwise I will take here range function, range 1 to 6. So I will get list of elements from 1 to 5, L7, right? So I got here list of 1 2 3 4 5, right? So using this brackets or list you can create this list. Now for sets, so I have told you this, whenever you are using empty curly brackets it is not set, it is a dictionary. So we will see that practically, we will verify this. So S6 I am creating. So if I use empty empty curly brackets, and we will print type of this S6, and if I run this, so it is given class dict, right? So always remember, if you are using empty curly brackets it is a dictionary. So if I take elements 1 2 3 4 and if I run this, now it is a set, right? Remember this. Now one more syntax is or constructor is there to create set, is set function. So I am taking here S7, set I am taking, set function I am taking, and I am using range function to get set of 1 to 4 elements, and I will print this S7 on the console. Now I got here set of this 1 2 3 4, right? So in this way we have seen differences between list and set. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt you can comment below.